Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Veloster key fob. First, gather your tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, flat surface to work on. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy process for replacing your key fob battery. Let's get started with the first step. Your Veloster key fob has an emergency key hidden inside. Look for a small button on the side of the fob. Press this button firmly, and the metal emergency key should pop out or slide free. Remove this key completely, as it reveals the slot needed to open the fob casing. Now, with the emergency key removed, you will see a small slot. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this opening. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Work slowly and avoid using too much force to prevent any damage to the plastic casing. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old battery. Pay attention to its orientation, noting which side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and gently press them together until they snap securely into place.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.